ADA price prediction. So on Friday, I warned everyone about a potential dip that has been happening, and since that we had a crazy rundown. VWAP has been curving down, money flow has been curving down, and I'm not sure I'll be buying yet. And this is because in the last 3 hours we had 1.7 mil worth of longs open, which is bullish. This is good, but I want to see a few more things, and I'll tell you what within the video. So first of all, let's go to the 4-hour chart, and what I want to do here is just mark out the volume, the value areas, right? I want to see bottom to here, what happened. And basically most of the volume came right here. This was shorts taking over, massive amount of shorts, and these shorts rolled the price down, right? And if we go here and also add two more things, which is the value area high and value area low, and what we definitely want to do is have the up volume here, down volume in red, value area up, red. We definitely want to have something like that, sorry. We can see that we're way below value area high or lower, or the point of control, which by the way should be in red or yellow. So what we have here and what we want to see here is a quick retracement to any of these levels, which would be hard. So at any point, if we get a long right here, which I'll be okay in longing, and at any point we get a long, this will be an opportunity to short. So this is exactly how this works out. By the way, this is a scam. Let me just delete it from the Telegram. People are trying to spam a lot in the Telegram chat right now. So this is what I think about Cardano. I wouldn't bid, but if I would bid, I would bump it to 8474. By the way, this video is not financial advice. And then look for a short to the downside. We're up to 174 grand on meme coins. If you want to learn more about my strategy, I'll have links in the description down below. See you next video.